that chap there.
I'm curious how many chickens we've got now. I guess it depends whether anyone's been near my base. Let's find out. No, we haven't got any more. Oh, that's a shame. Today's going to be a bit of a shorter episode than normal, unfortunately, because I'm only going to be on for about 45 minutes, so edited down that won't be very long at all. I'm just going to make a few little tweaks to my house. First thing I want to do is replace all of these torches with glowstone. Bingo! So they've just got little pressure plates on them. The dark highlights are a slight disappointment. I didn't expect them to be visibly dark highlights, but I don't think it looks too bad for what it is, and it can always be changed if necessary. The next thing I want to change is inside here. So I'm just going to need a bucket. I have a bucket. And I'm just going to do a risky move. I'm going to break this glass here. And then just pick up this lava. And then I'm going to change up a few things. So, first thing is just picking up all these rails and the hopper and the minecart. Oops, I don't want to put those there yet. I just need to get myself 7 signs. That sounds like something pathetic, doesn't it? 7 signs. But I just mean 7 signs. Oh, hello. So the reason I've done this is oopsie daisy. Can't seem to have placed blocks. Why am I? I'm going to die. Oh dear, is the lava going to flow around and get my items? Don't try to work with lava when you're lagging. Oh dear. How much of my stuff have I managed to lose anyway? I need to be far more careful with lava. I probably will have lost some valuable items. Can I reach across to there we go. Let's just punch through this cobblestone. Oh, I don't think I managed not to lose any items. That was very lucky. I'm just gonna do a little summary of the chat, because every time I try to make use of the chat in my videos, the editing proves impossible. So, here we are. I died in lava. Linda's shouting about villagers trying to beat with the babies. So we've got pedo villagers, and I just got killed by my cow farm, as you just saw. It's a large oof. I keep typing off as well. It's a large oof size, to say the least. Although I'm curious to see if we get any more animals this time. That one wheat right here didn't grow. Chances of that, I wonder. trying to type in the chat? I got the first zombie in place. Is that for your iron farm? I'm assuming it's an iron farm. Let's see if they come through. There we go. Oh, look at that. Floodgates of mobs. Right, let's have a think about what we're gonna have chests for and where we're gonna put them. So I think we only want 2 hive chests so that this window's only, you know, half obstructed. So I've got all my items sorted now. That's something. Let's just collect the food from our farm. So let's just have a look at this farm. That's, oh, how many, got any more chickens while we've been doing? We've got a couple more chickens it looks like. So that's pretty nice. So every time we come on and come here, we'll have more and more chickens. But I do need to have a think about exactly how I'm gonna use all of those chickens once I've got them, because breaking the hopper or breaking the dispenser is going to be quite difficult. So maybe I can make the eggs shoot up into another area, who knows. There we go. Yeah, there's a couple of these guys that I need to go in. Maybe I should make the area around my nether portal a bit more secure in future. These guys don't summon pigmen, do they? I'm hoping that's the thing where pigmen come to the defense of their overworld allies. Because then I'm done for. I think this is when this falls. Nah, this is Vexening face, isn't it? Never mind. Wrong one. If only I could watch my old video to try and find out what the coordinates were. There we go. Second guess. Let's see if we can sneak up there. Can I be of assistance? I don't want to be annoying though in case everything's already sorted out. Oh, what? What? Won't that affect gossip? I killed 5, that includes babies. You have a very dark streak. Is this like a... Yeah, okay. Is there a string here, or... It's not a string-based cactus farm, is it? I wonder how the iron bars were. They were behind walls. Oh, I don't know if that's how... Oh, the villagers need to touch to give bad gossip. Oh, I see. didn't. Aha, I didn't know. I love I was wearing a Wandering Trader's head. This server really has it in for Wandering Traders. Alright. Where did my village... Oh. Oh, is there a villager missing somewhere? What? Oh, well, as far as I can see, that minecart's floating in mid-air, so... that's not good. I mean, I'm lagging out too much to be able to tell anything, but yeah, that doesn't look good. That makes me look really bad, but look, I'm recording, so. Though, I guess I'm gonna have a look at it from this angle. Why are there so many rails here? Oh, it's a 3x3 area. Ah, I see. Oh, bed is on top of the house where the chests are. Well, that just answered my question. Oh, it's a mailbox. I'll have to put some letters in this mailbox at some point. To make things interesting. Vex head. Heads, which includes things that are not heads, such as netherrack. This must be the catastrophe kit, I guess. There's some good stuff here. It doesn't seem to have any organisation to it. Well, there must be some organisation to it. Something. Can't work out what it is. It's a chess monster of sorts. That's an interesting way of setting up an enchantment table. I'm done. Oh, okay. Looks like I don't have to sleep after all. Let's go and have a look. Let's, oops. Oh, I would land on the wood, wouldn't I? Almost. Almost done. Alright. Do 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 do. Dun, dun. Just a floating head. Why are there so many pigs? Oh, can I see your base? Okay, here I am at my base. Oh, and I just got disconnected. going. Oh. Oh no. Right, let's Oh, is that you with the armor stand? Okay. I'd suggest stilts on the house. No, that would look good, apart from it. Yeah, it's kind of where it is now. Now, stilts have been suggested, but I've just put that I like the floating box thing I've got going. But yeah, I might do some more stories on the stilts. But she doesn't want me to sleep because she's AFK in the iron farm, so okay, I won't sleep. I think with that, I'm just going to have to go now. That's going to have to be my time. I had planning at finishing at 8 o'clock and it's now 9 o'clock, so I think I better finish about now.